Hi Eric. So here I'm on lead form list page, and in one of the lead forms I'm going to add a script for the section name. So this script I added for this lead form. I'm doing save and close. If I open this lead form again, the script is getting removed. So basically it's not saving the script, the section title. But if I go and view the preview of this form, the script is getting executed. Yeah, that's the issue. I mean, this issue is on live too, so it's an existing issue. But I just wanted to know if we can consider as part of this task. We can consider fix for this as part of this task.